let's talk temps. It's nice and clear. We have 69 degrees at the Battery. Morristown now at 61. We're down to 69 degrees at City Island. Claryville in the 50s. So is Woodbridge at 59 with Poughkeepsie in the 60s. Danbury are in the low 60s currently. But there's some of that fog, especially into western New Jersey, the Delaware Valley. So some visibilities have gotten below half a mile. So just keep that in mind until that sun comes up and gets to work. That might be an issue for you. By 9 a.m., its sun is up and getting to work. 72 degrees. That humidity is going to come down as the morning progresses into the afternoon. So a nice warm high in the mid 80s with low humidity and a bit of a northwest breeze. Really nice. 84 at 3 o'clock and should be a great summer evening by 6 p.m. Already still into the low 80s. All right, it has been a busy morning on the roads, Adele. So what are you watching?
Yes, we're watching a few things. Definitely a busy day on the roads.
Fog, especially if you're heading through western New Jersey into the Delaware Valley, where visibility has come down quite a bit, in some cases less than half a mile. And patchy dense fog, Poughkeepsie, less than half a mile right now, and as you get into Connecticut. So we'll keep an eye on that. Otherwise, clear sailing on the radar and satellite picture. That's a nice change up from yesterday. 68 in Newark, 67 at Central Park, 66 in Islip. Still a bit sticky out there, but we'll see that humidity continue to come down during the morning hours, definitely by the afternoon. So as our temperatures climbed about 82 degrees at 2 o'clock with mostly sunny skies, highs into the mid 80s, a warm one, but not sticky. And then overnight, nice and quiet. So evening plans, late night, fair skies as temperatures slowly fall into the 70s. All right, so let's see how things are shaping up on this Friday. Adele, what's going on?
Yes, we've made it Friday. We just have to get through the
good news, but I am keeping an eye on the Delaware Valley, Hudson Valley too. So Sussex still visibility less than half a mile. You can see some patchy dense fog through Connecticut. Poughkeepsie at one point less than half a mile now, improving just a little bit there at the reporting site. It's a little muggy still. 63 degrees in Wayne, Caldwell at 66 degrees, LaGuardia in the low 70s, City Island right at 70 with Great Neck now at 64. So it's going to be warm and muggy to start off with, and then warm and not muggy later on. So that's the story. The humidity will go down. By 4 o'clock, 85 degrees and a little bit of a northwest breeze. Very nice summer afternoon and a fantastic summer evening by 10 o'clock. Still into the mid 70s under fair skies. All right, let's check out this Friday getaway traffic situation. We still have slowdowns to talk about.
Yeah, it's going to be a tough go right now if you're trying to get an early start on the
fog, which right now is mainly for the Delaware Valley in through western and central New Jersey, the Hudson Valley as well. Dutchess County seeing some pretty low visibility also into Connecticut, but otherwise looking really good. We're clear on the radar and satellite. 61 at Clinton right now, New York City, and Central Park is at 67, Islip at 65, and Toms River in the mid 60s. That sun's going to get to work. The fog lifts out by 1 o'clock, 81 degrees, 85 by 4 p.m. Yes, warm, but at that point too, that humidity has come down quite a bit. So it's going to be a comfortable warm and a little bit of a breeze, and beautiful summer evening. One of those that you love on a Friday, right? 7 p.m. temperature at 81 degrees. All right, we've had some big time slowdowns already this morning. Adele, what's the latest?
Yes, definitely been a very busy start to the weekend.
Seeing too many problems, but fog is an issue across western New Jersey, the Delaware River Valley, where visibility has been pretty low at times, less than a quarter mile. That's what we have at Trenton right now, less than a mile in Sussex, and a few patchy areas like Poughkeepsie where visibility is less than half a mile. So patchy dense fog in through the Hudson Valley. Otherwise, a pleasant start. Still a little muggy. Passaic at 64 degrees, New Rochelle at 66 with Belrose at 65, Elizabeth sitting at 66 degrees. So we'll warm up today and also get a little bit drier so that humidity gets taken out just a bit. 84 degrees by 3 p.m. so mid 80s for the high today, a nice little breeze from time to time, and then fair skies overnight, temperatures slowly falling into the 70s. All right, it has been a tough go, especially in certain spots this morning. Happy to have some good news though, Adele.
Yeah, good news being we have at least some movement now.